Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing immediate resource drains so the system can breathe. First, free up at least 15% of disk space. Temporary files and large downloads often slow file access. Then open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and force close CPU or memory-heavy apps. This stops background contention. Once done, restart the laptop to clear cache states and install any pending OS or driver updates. Updates patch performance bugs and improve hardware coordination. So this baseline reduces many common lag causes quickly. Now you move into deeper tuning to sustain responsiveness. Uninstall programs and browser extensions you no longer use because they consume RAM and background CPU cycles. This reduces contention over time. Next, disable non-essential startup programs to cut boot time load and free long-running processes. Then perform disk maintenance. Use disk cleanup to remove clutter. Run defragmentation on HDDs or ensure trim is enabled on SSDs so file operations stay fast. These steps finish by addressing hardware and deeper software causes so lag doesn't return. Check thermals. Clean vents and fans, reapply thermal paste if necessary, and switch to a high-performance power plan when plugged in. Overheating and throttling cause intermittent slowdowns. If you still bottleneck on RAM or disk I/O, upgrade RAM or replace an HDD with an SSD. Those changes eliminate chronic limits. If problems persist, boot into safe mode and test a clean user profile to isolate drivers or corrupt configs. That one troubleshooting step often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.